YouTube is a business platform where people sell their services and their products to the whole world. I know that a lot of people don't know that YouTube is a platform that is meant for business. You know, a lot of us, a lot of times we use YouTube to consume content. Most times, most of us don't know what the contents are meant for. And they don't know, and we don't know that most of these contents are getting paid based on the views that we are watching. So in this video, I want to show you exactly how to use YouTube for business. So many people see all these YouTube videos that we do, and a lot of people do. They think it's just for fun or it's just for wasting of time, but YouTube is a business platform that pays both the content creators and business owners, and I'm going to explain. So how do I mean? As a content creator, you create these videos, valuable videos, funny videos, comedy videos, skits, and so many things that you can create, and you upload it on the platform. In return, the platform will pay you some royalties for your content. So, which means that if you have been watching YouTube for a while now, you will see that if you look into the content, you see that there is a lot of advertisements popping up when you're watching YouTube videos. So those adverts you're seeing, it's all businesses. They are people's businesses, so they are paying to get their content or their product out to the masses, and the masses that are the people that are watching your videos or other videos on YouTube. So how it works is that I am a company. Let's say I own a company that sells a car, so I want to advertise my car on YouTube. So what I will do is I will go to YouTube advertisement portal, and I will pay for advertisement and do an advert on their platform. So what they will do is that advert they have created and they have paid for, the YouTube now will take it to the videos. It depends on the kind of videos that you have. So they will take those videos to your those adverts to your video, so that when your viewers are watching, the advert will now appear and sell to them. So that's one way to make money from YouTube. And before you can reach that level, definitely you need to get up to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, which is sometimes a big deal. It takes a lot of time to achieve such long goal because it's big. 4,000 watch hours is not the play. It's something that takes maybe hundreds of thousands of views. Depends on the length of your videos that you're making. So it takes a lot of time to get 1,000 subscribers. It's hard work. Especially in Nigeria here, people don't normally use YouTube as much as they rather use it for comedy stuff, to watch funny videos and things. They don't use it to enhance their lives or to learn. And most times you don't blame people. People are angry, people are frustrated, people don't have money. So to even talk about how to go and spend money to go and learn one thing, rather they want to watch a video that will make them laugh. So these are the first steps that you can use to make money on YouTube. So you have to have 1,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers, and 4,000 watch hours. So before you can get monetized. So when you get monetized, that is when you can now partake in the YouTube partner program, which is when they start putting adverts on your videos and you start earning. But before then, YouTube is a business also for the content creator, and that is the second part of the video that I'm trying to talk about. If you don't have up to 1,000 subscribers, it does not matter. If it does not have up to 4,000 watch hours, it doesn't also really matters, because there are two ways you can earn from YouTube. So the first way is what I've explained. So you have to qualify for YouTube partner program, which is 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. So if you have not gotten to that extent, the good news is that YouTube does not pay for subscribers, rather they pay for views in all their activities. So the views are what makes money. You know what I mean? So you can have 500 subscribers and you are making money from YouTube with your views. Do you understand what I mean? So let's say you have your own product you're selling. Maybe you're selling an ebook or you're selling a course, or you are selling physical product like shoes or clothes, or you have a physical shop, or you have a website where you render services to people, or anything that you do, whatever it is. If you have a restaurant, whatever, you're making a video on something that is related to your business, you're using style, you're using a very unique style to sell to your like-minded audience. You understand what I mean? So let's say you have a YouTube channel that talks about music or entertainment, so your viewers definitely will be people that are interested in music and entertainment. So what are you selling? You're going to be selling something that is related to your videos. So let's say if you are doing such videos, definitely you will know a thing or two in the music industry or in the music business that you can sell to your audience. Maybe your audience are artists, musical artists, or people that like to stream music. You can be doing affiliate marketing with all these Spotify, Audiomack, Boomplay. All of them have affiliate program where you can register and you can start earning. So what it means is that you direct people to sell their music or to upload their music in Boomplay, or you sell their subscription plan for them, tell people to subscribe to their plan, put the link to on your description so that your viewers can directly go from your own link and maybe stream or buy music. In doing so, you get a commission for doing that. That is how it works. So let's say that's affiliate marketing. You can be doing affiliate marketing, or you can be selling your own product. So let's say you have a website that you do a service, you help artists, you manage artists. Let's say you manage musicians, or you manage a company, you manage a website, you are a website designer. You get what I mean? So you design a website. So you have a website that people can go and contact you or create an account or make an inquiry or something. So when you're talking, your videos should be related to website design and things like that, so that it can draw some kind of audience that is related to, that are interested in that particular niche. So it's very simple. So let's say you are selling that website and you're designing a website, so people comes to your page and you're talking about it. So your videos are going to be drawing like-minded people together, and at the end of the video, you're going to put your link of your website for people to reach you, to communicate with you, to negotiate with you for business. And it's simple. You can use YouTube to sell anything. It's a big business. You can use it to sell anything, and it doesn't necessarily have to be 1,000 subscribers or 4,000 watch hour. That is what all of us are fighting for. That is what all of us are earning from. That is what a lot of people are earning millions from, because it pays a lot. Some are earning over $24 per 1,000 stream. You know what I mean? It's a big money. So some people are earning even up to $50 per 1,000 stream. So you see that there is money in the AdSense and things, but how else can you use it and make money? Let's say this video now, I'm talking about how to make money and things. I have my own way of making money from this video, apart from the AdSense or whatever. So how am I going to make money from it? I have my own course that I sell, and if someone who is interested in such course is watching this video, definitely he or she will go through that course and see it. Maybe they will have interest to buy it, or maybe they will not, but at least people are seeing the business and it is moving. So the more people see your video, the better chances you have of selling. So that is how to use YouTube. YouTube is a massive platform. It pays the content creator and it pays the publisher, the advertiser, because if you're advertising for your business, definitely your business will grow. Then they are using you as an agent to do, or they're using you as a tool to broadcast their business. You get paid for that. So it is very easy and it's very good. It's something that anybody can do. Pick up your phone, pick up your camera. You can even do faceless videos with recording with just your voice and edit them. Just make it a video and post it on YouTube. If let's say you are into teaching, you are a hairstylist, you can be doing your stylist video and recording them, turn it to your content. You are a cook, you cook soup, you cook obono, you cook egusi. You can be in the kitchen while cooking. You can be making the videos and putting them together and editing them. You are a lecturer, you know how to teach mathematics. You can have a whiteboard in your house where you can be teaching and making the videos and putting it in your channel, and that is it. You just have to make videos of what you know or what you can talk about. That is it. And if you can do that, trust me, YouTube will reward you for that content one day, because definitely it is forever. And that's why I like YouTube. It is something that is sticks. It's not like the video you do this year they're going to delete it this year, next year you do another one. No, your videos are going to be there forever. Your children will see it. You're building a portfolio. You know, you're building a portfolio that your future generation will see even when you're gone. That is why it is important to me that I must make videos, because it's not just about the money, it's about the future. You know, your future generation will see that yes, you said something, you impacted people's lives, and you did something to change the world, because that's what we're trying to do. So this is 2 ways you can use YouTube. There are many ways you can use it. It's a big platform you can make a lot of money from, and that's what we do. I've made money from YouTube. I've met a lot of people, contacts, people calling me from all parts of the world. They want me to help them do what I do, because it's the same kind of videos I make and things. So it's an advantage anybody can take advantage on, and before you know it, you can still from there become a brand. You know, because the more you speak, the more you show your face, the stronger it becomes. People become addicted to and become interested in what you want to say, because you are consistent. So that is what it is. You know how it is now. I don't want to waste your time much today. This is what I have for you for today's video, and I will see you in my next video. Please, if you're new, subscribe to my channel. You can share the video with your friends and well wishers, and God will bless you. See you in the next video. Remain blessed, and bye.